Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to show hidden folders and files in your Windows 10 PC. So you wanted to see or show the hidden files in your Windows 10 PC, you just have to follow me. I'm going to show you two steps and solution to show the hidden files. So just go to the File Explorer or this PC here and then go to the folder that you wanted to see the hidden items there. So I'm going to go to the C folder here, and as you can see these are the files here. So if you want to see the hidden files and the folders here, you just have to go to the view option here, click on view option, then there you will see an option called hidden items here. As you can see in the top tab here, click on hidden items, and then you can see there are a lot of files that are hidden and now showing. So this is how you can show the hidden files here. So if you just uncheck the hidden items here, the hidden folder will be then hide again. So there's another option, you can see the hidden folders and also the protected file that are always hiding in the Windows 10 PC. So if you just go to the file here, go to the change folder and search option, then you will see an option called view here. Click on view, and there you can see there's an option called hidden files and folders. So you can just click on show hidden files, folders and drive, and if you want to see the protected operating system files, you have to uncheck the hide protected operating system here. You have to uncheck the hide protected operating system file, so you just have to click yes, and as you can see it's now unchecked, and then you just have to click apply and okay. And as you can see, you can show all the hidden files and also the protected files that are protected in Windows 10. So that's it guys, this is how you show hidden files and folder in your Windows 10 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.